Paano yung gulat mo? 1, 2, 3, go! Ganon. That's how you got scared, eh? Teka. Shall we ban you because you peed? Yes or no?
It was an
Accident? Paano naging accident yun? How did it become an accident? Can you explain to me how did it become an accident? You need to tell me why, because if you're not able to tell me, you're gonna be banned.
Because I forgot to pee.
Can't you feel your pee? Can you feel your pee, yes or no? Oh, you just don't want to pee because you're playing iPad.
I was not even playing.
Ay, anong ginagawa mo? Watching. Oh, watching nga. You're on the iPad. What if I get a straw and then I let you sip that? Your pee there. You want? Don't do it again, ha? You're gonna get sick. That's gonna hurt when you pee because your body wants to pee and you don't want to pee because you're playing the iPad or you're using the iPad. You understand? Ha!
English yun nga yun, nagpipigil.
Ako. Okay. Christmas Day. Chapa.
Dami naman ah.
You want me to get angry because you peed on the couch? Look at me in the eye.
You're that one illusion that follows you wherever you go.
What?
With go you like that.
Bala ka dyan. I'll put this